Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you on how I make my vegan Oreo buttercream icing. Now this recipe I created specifically for my friend who cannot have anything from a cow, whether it's dairy or meat. She has a sucky autoimmune disease, but she had went to this restaurant and she kept talking about this cupcake. It was vegan and she tried it. It had like an Oreo buttercream icing. And I had this buttercream icing and I tried it and it was really good. And I said to her, I guarantee I can actually recreate that. So here's the recipe.
Our first step is to add 5 Oreos to our food processor and get them grounded down to a fine crumb. Once you've done so, this is what it should look like. Next, in our mixing bowl, we're going to add a half a cup of Crisco shortening. Now, you most certainly can use vegan butter, but this was the only thing I had on hand. I'm going to be using a whisk attachment. This will allow us to incorporate air into our buttercream. Now, I made sure this was nice and creamy, which I actually scraped the bowl down twice doing so. We're going to add our powdered sugar next. It's a half a cup, adding it in 2 separate additions. You want to make sure it is well incorporated and go very slow at the beginnings. That way you do not make it go all over the place. You don't want a flour shower. Second addition is seen here, and we're doing that again. Scraping down the bowl, making sure it's well incorporated. Next, we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to make sure that is well incorporated as well. Next, we're going to add our Oreo crumbs. We want to get this mixed very well first. And then we're going to scrape down the bowl. And then we're going to mix it one more time, making sure everything is very well incorporated. And there is your buttercream. Your Oreo buttercream can go on your cake or your cupcakes. Looks delicious. So there is your recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.